Have you ever shared a story that you thought was terrific, only to be met by blank stares, polite nods, or worse, people scrolling their phones? Most storytellers make one huge mistake. They spend way too much time setting up the circumstances of their narrative. They share background details that the audience doesn't want, nor do they need. And by the time they get to the point, the audience, they've checked out. I've seen this happen too many times for business leaders, sales professionals, and speakers. Long, boring setups while the audience is sitting there thinking, what's going on? What's the point? Here's how you fix it. Instead of a long, slow setup, quickly jump to the point where the listener's emotions are engaged. Quickly get to the conflict. Here are a couple of examples. For 3 years, Mary has been working overtime and sacrificing time with her friends and family on weekends to earn a long-awaited promotion. But on the day she thinks she'll get that promotion, she's instead given a poor performance review. Barry and Joan are prepared to retire, but seemingly overnight, the stock market takes an unexpected 31% plunge. Their retirement dream now has to be put on hold indefinitely. Notice how these examples create an almost immediate reaction? You don't need 5 minutes of setup. What you need to do is quickly create tension in your listener. Getting to the tension, creating emotion, is one of the key elements of my brand new online course called High Impact Storytelling Abs. It's a proven step-by-step method to help you create powerful stories that grab listener attention and keep their interest from start to finish.